So this man dropped off a device here that he said he sent to Northridgefix, and Northridgefix couldn't fix it because somebody else was in here before and messed it up. So now it's in my hands. Let's see what I can do with it. So I connected to the power here just to test it, and yeah, it's completely dead. It doesn't do anything. So I have it here under the heat, and let's remove that screen. Let's heat it up first so that we can get a clean lift. However, this has been repaired before multiple times, so I'm not sure how good of a extraction of the screen it's gonna be, but let's try. All right, I got her open here. Put the screen on the side. So I got my multimeter on voltage mode, and I tested for the 3-volt line, and I didn't find. So there's possible shorts here, or we need to replace the ITE power management chip. Inspecting this board closely, I see other problems with the voltage of the battery section. However, let's see if we can get it to turn on first. Let's replace this chip right here, as I did suspect that there was a short right there. I got a brand new chip in hand here, and so let's remove this one. All right, we got the chip out here. Let's clean. All right, looks clean here. All right, nice. We just finished reflowing this. Let's go test. All right, so I plugged it up here, and with the multimeter on voltage mode, I'm getting 3.3. So let's put the screen on and test. All right, I got the screen on here. Let's try. Oh, nice. It says surface. Beautiful. And yes, we got it right here. The owner. So, yep, it does have another problem. I knew it with the battery, so that's a different thing. And that problem is probably over here with the battery not keeping charge, and maybe the battery's bad, but this is for data recovery, so let's take the data out for this customer. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll do the data recovery in the next video. Maybe not. It all depends on what the customer decides, but hit that like button, subscribe. I appreciate it, guys.